do.
Wow. Hi, we're going to make a B52 shot. That is a flaming B52 shot. And what we've got Kahlua liqueur, Bailey's liqueur, and of course we've got a vodka. We need this to make the fire burning, and of course we need our fire, and of course we need a spoon. Now this spoon has to be in ice. I'm not really liking this ice, it has to be cold so you can get the levels of the layers. Let's see what we're going to do. So first, let's get started. Now we've got our liqueur shots. This is the tiniest shot glass ever. So just pour a little bit. Yeah, that's enough. And so we've got this out of the way. Second is Bailey's. Yeah. There you go. Now you have to pour it slowly, and the colder the spoon is, the likelihood of getting a very beautiful layer. And it has to be very tiny drops. Little drops makes a mighty ocean. You see the layers coming through? If you pour it too fast, it's going to mix up and you may not get the effect you're looking for. So there you go. Yeah, probably that's right. Sorted. Alright, so put it back in the ice whilst we prepare for vodka. Any kind of vodka will do. So we like a vodka the same way you put the vodka slowly. Do you know what I mean? Oh dear, slowly. So you can get all the three layers beautifully sorted. Wow. Oh, this is such a mess. There you go. So this is the B52. Now we need the lighter to do its job. Poof! I'm not going to burn the camera, don't worry. Oh, wait. There you go. It's going to take a while. It's taking a while. No, I can't burn my fingers for this one. Let me change hands. It's going to take a while. Eventually we get there. Calm down, people. Is it there? Do you see it? That's amazing. Is it there? Right. Oh, wait. We need to put the lights off. And here we go. Ta-da! That is flaming B52! Alright, I need to drink up. Was that supposed to be for...